morning students. Today we will start our next experiment. This class is important for 4th sem electronic students. The aim of the experiment is to connect and run a 3-phase induction motor with the help of DOL starter. Now let us discuss the apparatus required for this experiment. We will require a induction motor, a dual starter, voltmeter, ammeter, tachometer, combination plier, screwdriver, electrician knife, neon tester, connecting switch and other accessories. So the specification is written on the corresponding side of the table. Now you have to write the theory, students. We will explain you the theory and how it works. We will also make you explain the different parts of the dual starter, like the start button which is normally open, the stop button which is normally closed, the main contacts, contactor coil, auxiliary coil, thermal overload relay, KitKat fuse, incoming terminals, outgoing terminals. Now students, the under voltage protection and overload protection is very important in case of a dual starter. So we will have a circuit diagram. You have to draw this diagram neatly in your copy and have to write down the procedure in past tense. The 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor starter and equipments are connected to the main switch with supply main voltage as per the circuit diagram. Now put the main switch and press the green push button switch on. Note the starting current, no load, running current, supply voltage, speed of motor by the help of ammeter, voltmeter, tachometer respectively. Now stop the motor by pressing the off switch of the induction motor and take your observation, note down your observation as starting current, running current, supply voltage, speed in RPM. Now you have to also draw the conclusion, students. The motor and supply terminals should be connected to the corresponding terminals of the DOL starter. The starting current is dash times the running current. That means you have to calculate it is how many times greater than the running current. Of course you have to write the discussion questions. Now you have to write these 3 discussion questions. Now we will demonstrate about the dual starter. Now Prakash sir will demonstrate about this induction motor, and we will also run the motor. Connection.
देखो यहाँ हूँ आम RYB सप्लाय RYB सप्लाय आमर कौन गोटे एमिटर लगी कौन आमर कौ फेज्रे आमर वाई फेज्रे आमर सीरीज लगी डुएल स्टार्टर सहित यहाँ हूँ आमर डुएल स्टार्टर डायरेक्ट ऑनलाइन स्टार्टर है ना। तापर यहाँ हूँ आमर 3-phase इंडक्शन मोटर 3-phase इंडक्शन मोटर रे आमर कौन डुएल स्टार्टर ऑलरेडी स्टार कराई जोटा कि आमर कौन 3टा टर्मिनाल आम इनपुट 3टा आउटपुट 3टा आज जो आम स्टार्टर था इनपुट 3टा आउटपुट 6टा था। ओके आज तुम्हें अधिका स्टार्टर पढ़ो डुएल स्टार्टर एक्सपेरिमेंट करा। यहाँ हूँ देख RYB सप्लाय आम कौन एमिटर पर सीरीज लगी स्टार्टिंग करेंट मेजरमेंट कराया एमिटर देख एमिटर जो स्टार्ट करी से आम कौन स्टार्टिंग करेंट हाई नेब तापर कौन करेंट ऑटोमेटिकली रिड्यूस करूँ है। एमिटर आमर कौन केते रेंज लगी आमर 20 एम्पियर रेंज लगी आमर एमिटर SCDC एमिटर MI टाइप आमर एमिटर लगी। एबे स्टार्ट करिया देखा जहाँ आसो इंटू 2 करियो है ना जहाँ रीडिंग आसो इंटू 2 माने कौन 20 रेंज लगी पाखापाखि 3.6 इंटू 2 जहाँ आसला से हूँ तुम कौन स्टार्टिंग करेंट तापर कौन ए हूँ तुम रनिंग करेंट ए हूँ तुम इंडक्शन मोटर स्टार्ट होगा यहाँ हूँ रनिंग करेंट ए हूँ 2.6 इंटू 2 जहाँ आसला मेजरमेंट कर देखो केते आरपीएम रे बुलछ 406.
Now students, as you have seen that this current during the starting takes much higher than the running current. So you have to find out the how many times this starting current takes that of the running current. So thank you students.